Welcome back to HH Wheels. We are headed to VW Drag Night, and as in we, I mean me and the Speedle. Unfortunately, James had some prior engagements, he couldn't come. But we will be meeting Jeffro there, which will be so much fun. It should be a really good time. I feel like I haven't been to a Volkswagen show in forever, and I feel like kind of a complete stranger. We've got about a 2-hour drive to Nices, South Carolina, which is pretty much outside of Orangeburg. There's a drag strip there. Should be a great time. I'll see you guys there. Oh, and I have the Speedle car with me too, so the three of us, I guess you could say. We have arrived. It's actually super awesome. There's a little bit of everything here for everybody. It is incredible. Well, I feel like I wouldn't be really doing any car show justice if I didn't buy Hot Wheels at it. Thank you to Big Bobby, you hooked it up. So I had a stinger on the Speedle for a very short period of time that kind of looked like that, right? But now that I see this one, I know that would piss James off. Should I do it? Because I really want to. I think I'm suffering not only from biocaritis, but I need a drag caritis. These are awesome. I need a drag car. I need a drag Beetle, specifically. Ooh, I need a drag Ghias, like this one right here. This thing is way freaking too cool. There are some incredibly well-built cars. I mean, are you kidding me? Absolutely insane. It is amazing what people can dream of and build. This is why I love coming to these events. But now I need to build one. It just makes me want to build one so bad. We got drag bikes here. So Jeffro, what's it feel like to be the biggest savage here?
Pretty good. motorcycle?
So, when are we gonna build one?
Soon. 2024. Coming to you live. I've been tricked.
Well, let me just say that was an incredible event. I hate to cut it short, but all hell is raining down on us. I got the Speedle loaded up just in time before it starts to pour, and now I'm heading home. But thank you to VW Drag Night for having me. This was an incredible time. Thank you to Jeff Rowe for inviting me because I need to come to this more often. I'm pretty sure they do this twice a year. Don't fact check me on that. If you guys are in the area, Orangeburg, it's in Nices, but that's right outside of Orangeburg, South Carolina, or anywhere nearby, you gotta come check it out when they have these events. They're awesome. Even if you don't bring anything, just come hang out and have a good time. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave us a like, comment what show I should go to next or we should go to next as a group. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, don't forget to get out there and get wrenching with your friends, because car shows are fun. You know, once you get your car built, take it to a car show, have fun, drive it, drag it, break it,